Oh, hello, this is Kara with Michigan Adventure Life. Today we are looking at smells. Here's a smell. With Inspector Kara on the case, no smell goes unsnoofed. Oh, look, here's a smell too. Oh, this smells going places. Okay, now we can go. Oh, there's lots of good smells by this old sewer pipe. So many smells. So little time. So many smells. Oh, packed with smells. This smells like me. Oh, there's lots of smells on this tree. What's that? Stop making fun of me, Daddy. I just want to smell. Daddy, there were sticks. There were sticks. No sticks will get in the way of my smells. This is my dog, Mommy. She is one of my favoriteest people in the world. Daddy is okay too, but Mommy is best. Mommy has treats. There are lots of smells in this hole in the fence. Inspector Kara will not go through, but this case must be pursued. Hey, yeah, we said Inspector Kara would not go through. Inspector Kara will move on. More smells to snoof another day. Inspector Kara has snoofed her way back to the car once again, saving her humans from being lost in the woods. This has been My Adventure Life with Kara, the My Adventure Dog. If you like this, please subscribe to our channels. Even if you didn't, give it 2 paws up. Thank you.